What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video, and today I will be showing you how to make this. Now you may be wondering, what is this? This is a survival kit, a Tic-tac bottle survival kit, and yeah, I'll be showing you how to make it. Simple, and it may help you in a survival situation if you're ever getting one. So yeah. Okay, so first you're gonna need a Tic-tac bottle or Tic-tac can, whatever you want to call it. And the reason I'm using this is semi-waterproof, and it's a good size. It's not too big, and like it can fit in your pocket. So yeah. So the idea for this is for you to be able to customize it to, I guess, your needs. And for me, I'm going to be putting BBs inside it because I use a BB. How do I say this in YouTube appropriate terms? I guess a BB pew pew. Never said that before, but so I've got these BBs I use for my quote-unquote BB pew pew, and I can just put these in here. The reason I have these, and I'm going to be putting them in here, is I can just hide these around our property, and if I need some of the things that I'm going to put in here, or if I like need BBs or something while I'm hunting, I can just come in here, find this, and get some. So yeah, so just fill it up, a couple BBs. Oh, that's all I have. Okay, so I have the bottom filled a little bit with BBs. So yeah, you can use little pieces of cardstock paper or something and make a divider. That's what I did. So I'm just going to take the cardboard and shove it down there at the bottom of the thing, and yeah, that'll divide it from the other stuff. Now the next thing you're gonna need are toothpicks, and the reason is because these toothpicks, you can use them to start fires. They're very obviously dry, and then if you put them inside the Tic-tac bottle, they'll stay even drier, and I'd say they're good kindling. So let me show you how to. Okay, here's my crappy attempt at making a feather stick, but you get the idea. You can light this with a flint and steel lighter, and it should catch on fire pretty quick. And that leads me to the next thing. You can either use cotton balls or lint from your dryer. This catches really easy also, so you can also put these inside, and let me show you how to do that. With the toothpicks, you're gonna just put them in on one side of the Tic-tac thing. You're gonna set them in the thin side and push them all the way down so that they look kind of like that on the inside, and just put all of them. You can put any amount, really. You shouldn't need too many, hopefully. And yeah. Okay, so I have my little divider in with the paper. It's not holding completely, but when you start putting stuff in it, it should hold. So I got this lint. Just stick it in there. And then I have this. Get it nice and compact. Yeah. So, in this original one that I showed you at the beginning of the video, you can see it has tape around it. We'll get to that later. But when you open it up, there's BBs at the top, and then there are band-aids in the middle, which I don't have any band-aids right now. Sorry for the audio. There's some dumb plane flying around. Yeah, I wish. Yeah, never mind. And then on the bottom it has a wire. I do not have any of this wire anymore, but you can just pick some wire. You can use it for a snare, catch some small animals, and yeah. Now, because I don't have any band-aids right now, that part of that section is not going to be filled, but you get the point. Put band-aids there. And then because I commonly run out of BBs, I don't have any BBs right now also, but I just fill the rest of that up. Imagine some band-aids right there, and then BBs up here, like this one. And yeah, the BBs I put on the top just in case I run out. It'll be easy to just put the cap on and drop some BBs out like that. So yeah. Now up next is going to be the tape on the outside. Obviously you can see it's different coloration because it's tape. It's electrical tape. And this, I think, can be easily lit on fire. I'm not sure, but I think it is. And I just wrapped it around the outside. And another use you can do is maybe you have cut your finger or something. You can just rip some tape off and then wrap it around your finger and use it as a tourniquet. Wrap it real tight and it can stop the bleed. Or maybe you have been bitten by a snake and you need a tourniquet. That would also work, maybe on your hand or something, around your wrist, like that. But yeah. Now, like I said, you can customize them, and this was one of the first ones I made. And also this one. These are pellets that I would use for a pellet pew pew. And yeah, so instead of like putting pellets in your pocket just loosely, or carrying around a big metal can, a mixed tin and can, you can just do this. And I think that's a little bit less than a metal on metal. So, and then we even wrapped it with tape. I don't know if you can see that. It's clear tape, and that should reduce the noise also. So yeah, at the end of the day, this could help you. It could help you survive. I don't know, you can put it in your truck. If you put it in your truck, you can just have it there, maybe in the console or something. And you can carry it in your pocket, which I would probably carry it in my pocket maybe if I'm going through a hike or something, throw it in my backpack. But yeah, I obviously said that I use this a lot. I always keep this in my pocket when I go hunting with my pellet pew pew. I hate saying that. But yeah, you can gift it to somebody. You know, you get what I'm saying. It could be a cool gift for your dad. I don't know. You can paint the outside. Just some ideas, you know.